this out today on my YouTube channel. I want to go over the most solid play to earn game that I'm invested in right now. Shiro Inu, go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, this project right here has been out for a while. I never really covered it on my channel, but I am invested in this project, and I just wanted to make a video today about it, just to let y'all know. I feel like this is the most solid play to earn game project. Now, it's a lot of different play to earn game projects coming out, but Shiro is really taking the steps to develop the actual game. One thing that I noticed in a lot of play to earn games projects is nobody has released the game. But one thing that Shiro did is they took a step, like aside from their website, aside from the main website, they already have the platform set up, the launchpad, the app website set up for their game. So on here you can mint avatars, you can buy different NFT card packs, you can have all of your collection of cards shown here. You can also farm and earn card packs. It's already set up, for distribution, or for release, I should say. And this is one thing I like about this play to earn game project, and that's why I wanted to bring it to your attention, because I know a lot of people know about this project and a lot of y'all are already invested in Shiro, but I just wanted to bring this to your attention as a solid play to earn game, an NFT trading card game that I feel like is going to continue to grow month after month, right? If we look at the DEX tools right now, it's currently sitting at a 30 million market cap with 33,000 holders, right? And it's doing pretty good since launch, right? This token Shiro, if we check out the website, you can see they already have a white paper, the Certec audit, and a verified contract. You can download all of the game mechanics, meaning the instructions on how to play the game. They already have it available for download. You can mint different avatars, I mentioned that. And if we go down, they have everything that's coming with this project. You can see here is going to be different elements you can add to make your cards more powerful. You can activate different elements within the card, so that's cool. The tokenomics of this coin is 1 quintillion, right? The total supply is 1 quintillion. It's a 3% reflection on this coin. 4% goes to marketing, 4% goes to development. I like that. This token was fair launched, so a lot of people got in this project very early and they made some good profits, right? Now, how to buy Shiro is very easy. All you would have to do is use MetaMask or Coinbase Wallet. I recommend using Coinbase Wallet. You can just go to app.uniswap.org and you will be able to swap your Ethereum for Shiro, right? This coin is already listed on multiple exchanges as well. So even if you didn't want to use Uniswap, you can go through Bitmart, go through L-Bank. You can go through multiple different exchanges already to buy Shiro, and it's listed on CoinMarketCap, it's listed on CoinGecko. This project is already solidified in a way, and I feel like it's going to grow over time. If we look on CoinGecko, you can see they've been tracking it for about a month. So this project is very new and it's solid, and I like where Shiro is going. They already have the launchpad set up for their website. They already listed on multiple exchanges. They listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. So this project can only grow from here. And I just wanted to bring this to your attention and let y'all know I am holding 50 trillion shares of Shiro. So if y'all was interested in this project, you can get it on Uniswap. You can buy it on multiple exchanges. It's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.